uncomfortable and a little sweaty right now because this really is my dentist. And I just found out, among other things, I've been mispronouncing his name for a while. This is Dr. Guido Sarnacchiaro, and he's as gorgeous as his name is long. He's a lovely person. I'm still here with my friend, Curtis Stone, and here's the truth of it. In our family, my husband is probably his favorite patient. I am his least favorite patient.
Now, moving to toothpaste, for example, another. It's so overwhelming.
And there's such a
so
wide
many.
variety of prices,
Yeah,
and
prices.
you don't know what's going to damage your teeth, what isn't.
Do you
Okay,
get one with fluoride? Do you not? There's a tartar control.
In all fairness, one very most important thing is fluoride. We want a toothpaste that has fluoride because it's anti-cavities, okay? That's important. Then, toothpastes are kind of like tailored for the patient needs. For example, some patients want their teeth bleached, so some toothpastes have either
a whitening agent.
Exactly, hydrogen peroxide or different things that can brighten your teeth, but you have to be consistent on using that tooth, not just a few times and then you will not see those results. For sensitive teeth, another component that just kind of like calms the sensitivity, okay? So those are all the different things. If you have a lot of restorations, if you had, unfortunately...
A lot of dental work.
Yeah, what happens? Don't use anything that is too abrasive.